Hello YouTube, my name is Ben and I upload videos about fragrances and all kind of things related to lifestyle. If this is your first time checking out this channel, I hope you see something that catch your interest and you decide to come back again. If you are a regular in this channel, I want to say thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate it. In one of my previous videos, I received a comment from somebody who said, hey, you should make a video about how many fragrance a person should own. And to answer that comment, what I will say is, you can own any fragrance you really want. There is no right or wrong when it comes to fragrance. You can go and just buy as many fragrances as you're allowed to. There is no limit for you to own as many fragrances you would like to have. It all depends on your situation and in your budget. For me at least, if I want to list the minimum, I think it is good to base your fragrances on the season you are. I like to cover all the seasons that we have here during the year and try to have scents that are appropriate for that season. So at least 2 fragrances per season is what I think is appropriate. And on top of that, I would like to have kind of like a luxury fragrance, something like in the pricey size, because you may have better ingredients that inexpensive or a cheapy one. So I like to have at least one that will cover me or I can wear for any special events. And I like to have a fragrance that I can wear like a daily driver that is inexpensive. And usually I'm okay wearing a fragrance that is inspired in one of the luxury fragrances out there, probably about the same DNA of the luxury fragrance that I have, so I can wear whenever I want to feel the scent, whenever I want to smell it on me, and no having to worry about using the expensive stuff. So that's what I do. That's what I like to have, 2 fragrances per season. I discovered that I probably prefer fresh fragrance. So for me, spring and summer is when I like to wear fresh fragrance, and thick and sweet during the cold season, like in the winter or at the end of the fall. And that's what I have for this video. If you have a suggestion on what kind of fragrance or the number of fragrance you think a person should own, please consider to leave a comment in the comment section. And also please consider to be part of the community on this channel. I hope to see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye.